Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a Wi-Fi on Google Home. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply access your Google Home app on your mobile phone and simply go ahead, simply allow the Bluetooth for it to connect devices. And now tap on let's get started, choose your account, tap on I agree, and simply choose your home and tap on next again, allow, continue. You can cancel this for now, tap on next, and there we go. We have simply accessed our account and signed in. Now right over here, all you have to do is first of all simply tap and hold this devices option here in the section, and you will find that the device that you have connected and added on your Google Home. You will simply find that particular device, simply tap on it and tap on the settings, and then tap on device information. Right over there you will be able to find this option of Wi-Fi. All you have to do is tap on it again and tap on this forget this network. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to forget that particular network. You can return back in the home section, and right over here you will find this setup for you to simply connect your new Wi-Fi instructions. Right over here, simply have to tap on a new Wi-Fi network, tap on it, enter the password of it accordingly, tap on confirm. Once you have connected, simply make sure to again recheck your device, and if you haven't added new one, simply tap on that device and add in the new devices as well. That way you will be able to reset the Wi-Fi. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.